So what you need to do is, if it's opening your PDFs in a format such as this, you might not recognise if your workplace uses a different procedure. What you need to do is, if you go to your web browser, and then if you just search for this program, now I know there's a lot of there to take in. However, what I'd recommend, if you don't install the extension, so whenever you install a program, it'll ask you to include some extras. So for instance, it's offering for us to download an antivirus software, and you won't need to do that. You just want the program itself. Now this can take a few minutes depending on your internet speed. So when that's completed, if you look to the bottom left of your screen, this will be dependent on your web browser. But if you use Google Chrome for this, it should look exactly the same for you. And then this will take a little while. Now, when that's completed, you can click Finish. Just untick, you don't need to launch the program, because this is a program that's going to run in the background as opposed to something that you need to use every time. Now, if you locate your file, so if you open with, if you just choose another app, even though the app that we just downloaded is already there, now we get this option to open, always open with this this program for this file type, which means every time we click on the PDF now, it'll come up in this familiar Adobe Acrobat format. You can also configure this for other file types in this setting here. So for instance, if you wanted to change the default web browser to Google Chrome or your Internet Explorer, this is where you'd find it.